Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be working on one of the minis from the Operation Icestorm box for Infinity. So let's check it out. Alright, so today I'm going to be working on a figure from the Operation Icestorm box. So I'm going to start with a base coat of this coat to arms brick red. I'm going to base coat anywhere I'm planning on painting red on this mini. So once the base coat dries, I'm going to come on with coat to arms vampire red. And on my palette, I'm going to mix some of the vampire red with the original brick red. This is going to be the mixture on this coat, and I'm covering most of where I base coated. I'm just leaving the darkest recesses. So once that is dry, I'm going to go with just the pure vampire red for the next step and start concentrating the highlights just a little bit tighter. The last is going to be coat to arms blood red. I'm mixing this in with the vampire red. Kind of a one-to-one mixture on all these mixes. And again, reducing the amount of highlight that I'm going to put on. Quite a bit smaller area. So this is with the all the way up through the blood red by itself, just building those highlights up the same. Next I'm going to move to its Badger Airs miniature airbrush ready figure artist color. This is Snow White. And I'm going to start the base coat for the pants where I want it to be white. Once the base coat is dry, I'm going to move on to this Army Painter's Quick Shade Dark Tone Wash and wash all the white. Then I move to AK's Flat Black and start blocking in the areas that I want to be black. So once the wash is dry, I'm going to go back through and I'm going to build up the white just for the highlights. When I start the skin tone, I'm going to use Vallejo's Model Color Rose Brown and base coat with that. We'll follow that up with a Army Painter's Soft Tone Wash and to let that dry. Well, that's drying. I'm going to use Dark Stars Blue Still and do the base coat for the base with that. Then once the wash is dry, I'm going to go back through and block in the eyeballs. I'm going to start with black, going with white, and then back again with black to try and get a little bit of an eyeline thing going. Then I'm going to go through with the rose brown again and just hit the top notes for highlights on the chin and cheeks and stuff. I'm going to go back to the badger paint. I'm going to use this purple and start hitting highlights with on the hair. I did do the base coat in black originally. So next I'm going to use some of this orange brown and orange rust and a little bit of the packing material and just kind of dab it on the ground. I want it to look well worn and somewhat rusted. During this whole process I did go through with white and do edge highlights on the areas that are black, including the gun. So this is kind of the final product here. Overall pleased with it.